Hi students, welcome to a new video lesson on English grammar. Today we are going to deal with the present and past perfect continuous tenses. In our previous video lessons, we have learned about simple, continuous and perfect tenses. Today, we are going to learn about present and past perfect continuous tenses. We are going to learn how to use present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous. So let us begin with the present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous is used for actions that began in the past and have been continuing without interruption till the time of speaking. It focuses on the period of time an activity has continued for till now. So, in order to speak about actions that began in the past and have been continuing without interruption till the time of speaking, we use present perfect continuous tense. So the focus of present perfect continuous is the period of time an activity has continued for till now. Let us look at some examples, then you will understand better. I have been looking for my wallet all day. I have been looking for my wallet all day. So here, maybe you lost your wallet, or it means your purse. You lost your purse and you started to look for it in the morning and till the time that you are talking about, maybe it is in the evening. Even till that time, you have not got it. You are searching for it. So you say, I have been looking for my wallet all day. Another example. It has been raining since early morning. It has been raining since early morning. So the rain started early morning and now also it is going on. So at the time of speaking, you are talking to your friend. So even at this time, the rain is going on. So it is continuing to rain. Therefore, we use the present perfect continuous and say, it has been raining since early morning. Humans have been taming animals for centuries. Humans have been taming animals for centuries. What is meant by taming animals? Means teaching animals to obey you. Disciplining animals, maybe especially wild animals. That is what is called taming animals. This has been going on for centuries. Now also, humans tame animals, teach animals to obey you. So, now also it is going on. It has been going on for centuries and till the time that you speak about it, now also it is going on. Therefore, you use the present perfect continuous tense and say, humans have been taming animals for centuries. Here is the structure of the present perfect continuous tense. Has been or have been plus the ing form of the verb. So here, look in the first example, I have been looking for my wallet all day. You have used have been plus ing form of look, that is looking. Remember, we often use time expressions like for an hour, for a few weeks, all day, all winter, and since Monday, etc. with the present perfect continuous tense. So, you must always remember that time expressions. In the present perfect continuous tense, we use time expressions like for an hour, for a few weeks, all day, all winter, since Monday, etc. Now let us go to past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous is used to talk about actions that started in the past and were still in progress till another time or action in the past. So remember, it is used to talk about actions that started in the past and were still in progress till another time or action in the past. Let us look at some examples. I had been working on my project till late last night. So you started to work on your project maybe earlier in the day and it continued till late that night. So to speak about that, you use the past perfect continuous. Another sentence, Kiran had been playing outside till it started raining. Here also, the action of play, that action has been going on for some time. And then what happened? It started raining. Till that time, the action was going on. Therefore, we use past perfect continuous tense to say that. Let us look at the structure of the past perfect continuous. Had been plus the ing form of the verb. Had been plus the ing form of the verb. Look at the first example. I had been working. Had been plus ing form of work, that is working. In past perfect continuous also, we use time expressions like when, before, after, for 2 hours, for a long time, etc. Now let us see how we can formulate negative and interrogative sentences in the perfect continuous tenses. So negative sentence. The negative form of the perfect continuous tense takes a negative word not or never after the helping verb has, have or had. So in order to form a negative sentence, you have to use the negative word not or never after the helping verb has, have or had. Let's look at some examples. The patient has not been following the diet prescribed by the doctor. Let's analyze this sentence. This is a negative sentence in present perfect continuous tense. In order to make it a negative sentence, we have inserted the negative word not in between has and been. Then we have placed the continuous form of ing form of the verb follow, that is following. Another sentence. We have not been receiving any calls on our landline since we got the mobile. We have not been receiving any calls on our landline since we got the mobile. This is also a negative sentence in present perfect continuous tense. Now let us look at another sentence. The clock had not been working for days till Dad fixed it. So this is a negative sentence in past perfect continuous tense. So here we have placed the negative word not in between the past form of have, that is had, and been. And then we have used the ing form of work, that is working. So the structure of negative sentence in perfect continuous is like this: has or have or had plus not or never plus been plus the ing form of the verb. Now let us see how to formulate interrogative sentences in a perfect continuous tense. Interrogative sentences start with the helping verb has, have or had. The helping verb been and the main verb are used after subject. So in interrogative sentences, we start with the helping verb has, have or had. Then we use the subject, and after subject we place the helping verb been and the main verb in ing form. Let's look at some examples. Has Ansh been attending all the classes? Has Ansh been attending all the classes? I hope you have noticed that we have begun with the helping verb has, and then we placed the subject Ansh, and then been plus ing form of attend, that is attending. So has Ansh been attending all the classes? Have you been trying to call me? Have you been trying to call me? So here also we have begun with have, the helping verb have, and then we placed the subject you. Here the subject is you, and then we have continued with been and ing form of try, that is trying. So we got an interrogative sentence in a perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, that is, have you been trying to call me? Now let us analyze another interrogative sentence using the perfect continuous, which is in past tense, past perfect continuous tense. Had you been keeping a watch on the cars when I asked you? So here, since it is a past perfect continuous tense, we have begun with the past form of have, that is had. Had, then we have placed the subject you, then we have placed been plus ing form of keep, that is keeping. Had you been keeping a watch on the cars when I asked you? So thus we got an interrogative sentence in a past perfect continuous tense. So learn this formula of the interrogatives in a perfect continuous, that is has or have or had plus the subject plus been plus the ing form of the main verb. I hope you have noticed that I have used capital letters for has, have and had because we begin the sentence with these helping verbs. So today we have learned how to use present and past perfect continuous tense, and also how to formulate negative and interrogative sentences using the perfect continuous. Here we end our lesson today. I request you to watch the video a couple of times, go through the textbook pages, and also do the exercises given in the textbook. Thank you and have a nice day.